If you know this technique, fenugreek leaves will only impart its aroma and goodness, completely masking its bitterness in all your dishes. I love fenugreek methi leaves in curries, dal, Indian breads, bhajis, etc. This was not the case until Mama-in-law taught me this method of cooking it. Hello, Namaste, Salaam, Sat Sri Akal. I'm Piyali Mutha and today I will cook Menthi Koora Pappu, which is a lentil curry with fenugreek leaves cooked in my in-laws' home. I will share my cooking technique so that you too can enjoy methi leaves sans the bitterness. Add oil into the pressure cooker, add Toor Dal, Chana dal, Moong dal, salt, turmeric powder and fry for a few minutes. Add water, mix well and pressure cook till soft. In a pan, to hot oil, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, dry red chillies and fry. Add garlic and methi leaves. Now the technique is to fry the methi leaves till they are almost crisp. This masks the bitterness. Add tomatoes and fry. Add salt and red chilli powder and mix well. Add the dal into the pan. Mix. Add green chilies and mix. This fragrant Menthi Koora Pappu is ready to be served with piping hot rice and ghee.